Welcome to this video. Here we solve a rational inequality. To solve a rational inequality equation involving or equation of rational inequality, first we find the domain of a rational inequality. So the domain of this rational inequality 1 over 3 minus 2 over x squared greater than or equal to 5 over 3x is set containing x element of r that different from 0. X must be different from 0. Therefore, to solve this equation, we write in the form of p over x, p of x over q of x greater than or equal to 0. So we have to rewrite this one. Then the equation became 1 over 3 minus 2 over x squared greater than 5 over x is 1 over 3 minus 2 over x squared minus 5 over 3x greater than or equal to 0. So to write in the form of p of x over q of x greater than or equal to 0, take the LCM of the denominator, that is 3x squared. So 3x squared, taking as LCM, divide by 3, we obtain x squared minus by x squared, we obtain 3 times 2 is minus 6, by 3x it is x, then that is minus 5x is greater than or equal to 0. So it is right in the form of p of x over q of x, that is x squared minus 5x over 6 minus 6 over 3x squared is greater than or equal to 0. Now let's take the numerator, x squared minus 5x minus 6, factorize this one. By factorizing, we can write this in the form of x minus 6 into x plus 1. So it is a factorized form of x squared minus 5x minus 6 is x minus 6 into x plus 1. So x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by 3x squared is equal is x minus 6 into x plus 1 divided by 3x squared. 3x squared, which is greater than or equals to 0. To solve this equation, we use the sign chart. We find the interval at which x minus 6 times x plus 1. So we find the interval x minus 6 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So taking x minus 6, x plus 1, 3x, x minus 6 into x plus 1 divided by 3x. Here, if you substitute for x 6, it is 0, less than 0 it became negative, above 6 it is 0. For x plus 1, if you substitute minus 1, it became 0, less than minus 1 it became negative, above that it is positive, above minus 1 it became positive. For 3x, for x equal to 0, it is 0. It is 0. So now we multiply the result of x minus 6 into x plus 1. Above 0 it is. Now negative times negative is positive, divided by positive is positive. Negative times 0 is 0, 0 is 0 also. Here in the interval minus 1 is less than x is less than 0, minus times positive is negative. Here it is 0. Here we obtain negative. Here minus times positive is divided by 0 is undefined. In this interval, the expression or the equation became undefined because a number cannot be divided by 0. In this interval, we have negative times positive, it is negative, divided by positive, it is negative. In this interval, we have positive because 0 times and x greater than 6, at the interval it became positive. Therefore, the expression or the equation x minus 6 into x plus 1 divided by 3x squared is greater than or equal to 0 in the interval, at the interval minus 1, negative infinity, comma, minus 1, and positive 6, comma, positive infinity, 6, comma, positive infinity. In this interval, we have the equation is greater than or equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 6 into x plus 1 divided by or x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by 6x squared is greater than or equal to 0 at the interval minus infinity comma minus 1 union and 6 comma positive infinity. The union is the solution set of the interval. Therefore, solution set of this equation is set containing minus infinity comma minus 1 union 6 comma positive infinity. This is the solution set of the given rational inequality. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share the video.